Welcome to Hallstatt, Austria, a fairy tale tapestry woven with alpine charm and medieval mystery. Nestled between the serene Lake Hallstatt and the towering Austrian Alps, this village is more than just a scenic spot. It's a portal to the past, embraced by nature's grandeur. Here, the mirror-like waters of the lake reflect the quaint pastel houses and rugged mountain peaks, creating a perfect harmony of color and texture. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hallstatt's beauty is matched by its historical depth. The village is a treasure trove of well-preserved architecture, with buildings that whisper tales of yore to those who walk their ancient streets. This enchanting locale is not just a destination, but a retreat for souls seeking peace away from the bustling tourist paths. With every cobblestone and corner telling a story, the journey into Hallstatt's heart is just beginning. Imagine waters so clear, they mirror the sky above and the mountains around. Welcome to Lake Hallstatt. Here, the serene beauty of crystalline waters invites you to glide across the surface on a boat or balance atop a paddleboard, engaging with nature in its most tranquil form. As you meander along the lakeside, each step offers a new perspective, a fresh reflection of alpine glory. It's a place where every view is a painting, every moment a meditation. Lake Hallstatt isn't just a body of water, it's a gateway to tranquility. Step onto the Hallstatt Skywalk and step into a breathtaking panorama that stretches beyond the horizon. Perched 360 meters above the village, this sky-high platform offers more than just a view. It's an exhilarating experience. Feel the thrill of standing high above the ground, where the picturesque village, the serene Lake Hallstatt, and the majestic alpine peaks unfold in a spectacular visual feast. It's a photographer's paradise, capturing moments that seem suspended between sky and earth. From such great heights, the world seems unimaginable. Delve deep beneath the Earth's surface into one of the world's oldest salt mines. Here in the Hallstatt salt mine, the past lingers in the air like a thick fog. Wander through the ancient tunnels where miners once toiled to extract white gold, shaping the destiny of Hallstatt. Glide down the historic miner's slide, a thrilling link to centuries-old mining practices. Discover how these age-old techniques forged a community and an economy in this remote alpine landscape. In the cool, quiet tunnels, history resonates with every step. At the heart of Hallstatt lies the Marktplatz, a vibrant tapestry of life, culture, and culinary delights. Here, the old-world charm of cobblestone streets meets the rich hues of historic buildings, each telling a story of centuries past. The air buzzes with the lively chatter of locals and travelers alike, mingling and savoring the flavors of the region. Pause to taste freshly baked pastries from a corner bakery, or pick up a handcrafted keepsake from a local artisan. Marktplatz is where Hallstatt's pulse is most vibrant and inviting. Within the silent walls of the Hallstatt ossuary, stories of the past whisper through painted skulls and bones. This small yet profoundly impactful chamber beneath the St. Michael's Chapel holds over 600 skulls. Half of these crania are lovingly adorned with floral and vine motifs, names, and death dates, marking a centuries-old tradition. This custom began out of necessity due to limited cemetery space, but evolved into a deeply respectful way to commemorate the deceased. Here, death is adorned with art and history speaks softly. Escape to the Ekern Valley Glacier Garden, where nature carves beauty into every glacier and waterfall. Here, the landscape is a masterclass in geological wonder, featuring dramatic glacial potholes that tell tales of ancient ice. Wander along scenic hiking trails that invite you into the heart of this pristine wilderness. Each step offers a chance to breathe in the tranquility and marvel at the untouched natural beauty surrounding you. Adventure seekers and peace lovers alike will find their bliss here. In Ekern Valley, nature's artistry is on grand display. Hallstatt is more than just a destination, it's a journey into beauty, history, and serenity. From the serene reflections on Lake Hallstatt to the breathtaking vistas from the skywalk, every corner of this village offers a story. Delve deep into the ancient salt mines or wander through the vibrant Marktplatz. Whether it's exploring the mystical ossuary or hiking through the Ekern Valley, Hallstatt invites you to discover its hidden gems. Discover Hallstatt and find a piece of a fairy tale in the real world.